We must pay homage to him.
So let's start with the build and design. So this band only weighs 22 grams. So once you have it on your hand, you won't feel a thing. This band has got a clean and a simple look to it. And the band itself has a clean finish. So it's got a display which is an RGB AMOLED and it's quite colorful. So the capsule found in the MI band is quite durable. When I went against few rough surface, I didn't get to see any scratches. And when you try to remove the capsule from the MI band, it takes a lot of pressure, and in a way it's a good thing because you don't want the capsule to fall from the band. So for its price point, you got a really decent build and design. So let's talk about the features. So you've got all the standard features which are found in other fitness band. So first thing which you will notice is you have a slot called workout where you have many other options to select from. So they have added the swimming option which was not found in the last iteration. Then you have all the standard stuff like heart rate, weather, notification, status and more. So there are few things which I really like about this. The one thing is the gesture. The gesture is implemented well. Like if you tap once, you go back. My only one small fault is it would be really nice if there is a long press implementation, because if you want to come back to the main screen, you need to tap twice. You can't directly come back to the main face of the watch itself. And another thing which I really like about this is if you swipe from the left or right from the main face, you can access the music control, which is quite handy. And there are few small stuffs like find my device. If your device is connected and if you tap on this feature, your phone starts ringing. So all this feature make this band an amazing buy. Now I want to talk about the MI Fit app. So you need to connect your band to this app. Once you do that, all the data gets synced. So this allows you to have a better user experience. So MI Fit app is basically a setting panel for MI Band 4. So once you do that, you can pretty much control everything, like whether you want to get notification for your calls from your apps, and if you want to set an alarm, you can do all the stuff like that. And one of my favorite feature is you can set custom vibration for your calls or for your alarm. Now another thing which I really want to talk about is the band face. So you do get pre-installed band within the MI Fit app. Say you want more band faces, so there is a third-party application called MI Band 4 which you can use to get more band faces for your MI Band 4. The overall feature and the user experience found in this is quite good. So now let's talk about the battery life. So MI claims that you can get 20 days of usage if you have 100% of charge, and under my usage I exactly got that, and you can charge a band from 0 to 100 in roughly 2 hours. And the battery life found in this band is quite good, especially for the price point. So let's talk about the pricing. So you can get this band for 2300 rupees from the official MI website. I'll be leaving a link down in the description. For its price point, it does really good job, and in some scenarios it does better than its competitors. This watch is that good that it has replaced my normal watch, and I find it using a lot. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe and tap on the bell mark. Until then, it's me Bharat signing off. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, peace out.